Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing and don't forget to smash that like button. Also, do me a big favor, leave some comments down below. Let me know what you thought of this video. And today's video is going to be about my 2023 Ford F150 XLT Sport Package. And I'm going to be putting on a soft roll-up cover, and I'm bringing you on the journey with me. So here's the truck. You can see the bed right now. It doesn't have it on. I already did take it out of the box. Here it is. There's the box. So you might be wondering what roll-up cover I purchased. This is the
Gator ETX.
Oh, Gator ETX, sorry. The Gator ETX soft roll-up. The reason I got this one, I saw it online, I got it on Amazon. It seemed really low pro. And I like the soft roll-up because I can roll it all the way up here. So when I have a load in the back, it's not in the way. So that's why I went with the soft roll-up. I saw some different ones, but I figured for me, this is the one I like the best. And it also had a pretty good price. So I figured I'd try it out. It's the first time I installed one. I've never installed one before. So hopefully everything goes well. And I got my dog here, Bodie. He's gonna be helping me. So wish us luck. And don't forget to leave some comments if you own an F-150 and you have a cover. Let us know what cover you have, what you like about yours and don't like about it, which ones you recommend. And I'm getting started. All right, here's an update. I got the rails in. You can see right here. I got them up on each side. And then what's holding them is this right here. So this goes underneath the bed here. And then 3 on each side. And as you can see, 3 on each side. Hold the rails in place. So got that done. It didn't take too long. Well, it probably took me longer than it should, but because it's my first time and just making sure it was perfect. But yeah, I got it on. And moving forward now onto the next step. And here we are at the end. We got it installed. So I forgot to film the part when I put this on top. It took 2 people. You could do it by yourself, but I had help, so it was both of us. You put this, it's all rolled up to here. And then there's a screw underneath that holds it in place. But this is at the end finished. And you can see it's pretty flush for a roll up. And let me close the tailgate. That's with the tailgate closed. And there it is. Let me know which one you have. Leave some comments down below what you think of this one. If you like this one, it was on Amazon. Again, it's the Gator ETX soft roll-up. And if you have Amazon Prime, it comes pretty quickly. We got this within like 2 days, so we're done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you thought it was helpful. And if you just enjoy truck videos, hopefully you had fun watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and smash the like button. Catch you on the next one.